Hello, everybody. Instructions for week 1 of managerial communication. Okay, so you will always begin with coursework, this tab in the upper left. That is your landing page where all of the assignments live. So open up week 1. Here you will find your to-do list. Please read chapters 1 and 2 of the text. I also have recorded corresponding chapter talks. If you go into resources, links, you will scroll down to chapter talks. For each chapter, there's a condensed 10, 12-minute lecture. So read the content, watch the chapter talks in whatever order you find beneficial. So here's what you need to turn in. You will have a 10-point chapter reflection. This is simply a Word document where it will prompt you to connect your workplace or personal life reality to what we're reading in the text. 10 points. You can simply open up that Word doc, input your responses, save as, and then file upload. You also have a personal communication assessment. That is self-reflection, a check-in. Where are you at as a communicator and where do you want to go? Then lastly, you'll have a 10-point forum discussion. When you click on this link, it will take you to the forum. This week, you're going to watch a short TED Talk on communicating among generations. Read the prompts carefully. There are 3 questions in which you will respond to. You will post first. You will not be able to see other people's posts until you post first. So it's set up as post first only. And then after you've posted, you can read your classmates' responses. Okay, so class begins on Wednesday. The course runs Wednesday to Tuesday. So all week 1 assignments are due Tuesday at 11:55 p.m. with the exception of the first forum post. That will always be due on Saturdays at 11:55 p.m. So we can get that discussion going and we're not waiting to the end of the week to have somebody to respond to. Okay, so everything due Tuesday night at 11:55 with the exception of that first forum post, which will always be due Saturday night at 11:55. Okay, let's make it a great first week. Please be in touch with questions.